What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Wrap Sesh.
What's up, guys?
I already said that.
Oh,
Oh my god. You just cursed.
don't put that. Wait, let's redo that.
I like the beep noises. Anyways, so this week we are showcasing these custom freestyle multi-layer helmet wraps that we completely freestyled kind of off the top of our heads.
Off the top?
Off the top of our nuggets. I just can't talk today. Anyways, so this is for Hammer Down Racing. It's a couple here in Arizona, and what kind of things do they race?
They race go-karts.
Go-karts. Don't
They're-
they have a certain name though?
I don't know what the certain name is, but they're pretty much a dirt track kart. They do a circle track, and they pretty much run a Briggs & Stratton motor and go at it.
Pretty rad.
They're pretty awesome.
So they're probably like my age too. Like they're pretty young.
Yeah, they're young.
So they actually just kind of gave us a whole design theme, I guess. Like they picked the color scheme for each helmet. They kind of told us what kind of fonts and the names they wanted involved in it.
And that's about it.
And then, yeah, we just kind of went at it. So we just gathered all the film we were using and literally did all of this by hand. So none of this is designed on the computer or rendered or printed. Like all of this, we either hand cut or hand lay and create the whole design. So every color you see is a layer on top of layers.
There are layers.
There's many layers.
Like an onion.
Like ogres. So we actually just got these helmets coated. We got them ceramic coated, which I think is really important whenever you're working with off-road vehicle wraps, motorcycle wraps, helmet wraps,
they're gonna
things
be
that are
in the
being
mud
touched.
a lot.
They're being touched, they're getting dirty.
They're getting dirty.
Obviously.
So that ceramic is gonna help that mud just like flow right off
Most definitely, because we have like satin white on here, you know, and normally that's gonna stain really easy. And then the fact that this is just layers, it's gonna be easy to like pick edges up and stuff if you're not careful with it. So we did get a ceramic coating on it. That also is gonna help with the hydrophobia on the visor.
Hydrophobia?
Hydrophobia.
Oh my gosh.
No water.
Sounds like
in
a
your
fear.
face.
I went with just like a classic race style helmet, kind of the dual stripe going on. He wanted some kind of stripe, so I went with that.
Wanted circular.
He wanted some kind of circular stripe going on.
Circular thing.
But he just didn't know what, and so I came up with this, and then I actually kind of threw a little twist in it, and kind of made everything just flow down the back, which kind of gave it a pretty cool little twist on the edge there. But and then I decided I wanted to throw some embossment, so I grabbed these little pattern off the computer, and we just kind of went with, I found a nice pattern and cut it all out, and I ended up.
That is true. That's the only thing that we cut was like the names and the pattern.
Yeah.
You cut your pattern.
Yeah, we had to have plotted the names.
Yeah.
So so like the name and the pattern was plotted, and we weeded it out, and so I threw some underneath, and then I actually decided to just throw half of it back on to give it just a totally unique look. And then the pins are actually in the 3M Shadow Black, so they have like a camo
like a
look
textured
to them.
camo.
Yeah, so it's got like camo stripes, which
and
is really
that's
cool.
actually what's hiding your fuse seam, right? Because you did all these as fuse seams?
All of these are separate pieces. So I started with the stripes actually, and then I filled in the blue, and it's all butt seamed everything together. Right. And then I went ahead and threw my pins over the butt seams, so that'll hold all that down. And then I capped it off with white just because I thought it needed it up top, another color.
And then this.
And then we got the shaka in the front with Wrap Sesh down there. So that kind of finished off the helmet on the bottom. But yeah, I mean, it turned out pretty good. I was pretty happy with it overall.
And this is for Tyler, the
This
boy.
is for Tyler.
This is his,
yeah. So, but yeah,
Cool.
hope he likes it.
And then for hers, so with hers, she wanted to have a kind of camo, sort of pink texture. And so I also used the Shadow Black.
Yes.
Yes. I think that's what it's called.
Yep.
And then this pink is actually a Oracal 970 RA, like gloss pink, and then it's laminated with a Avery diamond laminate. So that's what makes it super pink and girly.
And also super thick.
Also super thick. That was a problem that I had with the pink, is when I ran it through the plotter and when I was trying to use knifeless tape with it, it wouldn't cut through it.
Knifeless would not even cut it.
It just broke right away.
whatsoever.
So actually
You
a
had to-
lot of these, like, I ended up just having a hand cut, and then I took them off and mirrored it for the other side and like hand placed
It was a
like-
process.
It was yeah, it was ridiculous. So,
Because yeah, you couldn't even really plot on that stuff because it was so thick, it wouldn't go all the
the
way
diamond
through.
is really
It
thick.
just-
The metallic is super thick.
Yeah.
When you actually overstretch the material, it turns matte instead of being gloss. So you have to be careful with it.
And if you tried to cut it on the helmet, you only cut through the laminate, and then you got to double cut it, and
Yeah,
then you
I
risk
had to
going
like
through
double
the
cut
helmet.
everything.
So you don't
It
want
was
to do that.
pretty intense.
Yeah.
But then the whole base I did in cheetah wrap, satin nardo gray,
Yep.
something like that.
Yep.
And the whole design is actually, all the seams are hidden. I did fuse seams, so the same concept, butt up seams. And I think I did 4 pieces for the
It's
gray.
all hidden by the wings.
Right, and then a lot of the fuse seam is hidden underneath the wing. And then this design up front.
Mm-hmm.
And then on the back, like the whole kind of theme I was going for, because it's called hammer down racing, I wanted to incorporate like Thor's helmet kind of vibe to it. So that's why we added like the hammers right here. And then I did Thor's symbol, his like Norse symbol. So in all of his helmets, he always has wings on the side. So I wanted to do like wings off the side, but kind of girly twist. So it's actually a 3-layer design. It's got embossed design underneath, and then the white, and then the pink and black, which are all basically like hand cut and slapped on.
So many layers.
It was a lot, yeah. I kept getting really frustrated with my helmet too, because I would like do stuff up here and then not like it and take it off, and like all the little details were kind of hard for me to do. I really wanted the focal point to be the wings, but like the front, she wanted pretty simple, and she wanted these ribbons. They're like cancer ribbons, but not for cancer. The white and purple. I don't know what they stand for. So she wanted those, and I couldn't really like bring my design into it, so it made it kind of funky, but I am happy with the finished product. I hope they're gonna be happy with it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Hopefully their helmets bring them good luck in their
they're
racing
gonna
future.
win.
Oh yeah.
That's the goal.
This is a podium helmet right here.
No, podium helmet. It's even on a podium. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this week. Shout out again to Hammer Down Racing AZ. You can find them on Instagram.
Yeah.
And you can also find us on Instagram.
We're there.
That's where we like to vibe. Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ, Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. And see you next week.
We out.